Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to make a YouTube thumbnail for your own video. So make them attractive to the viewers, because thumbnail is what attract the audience to your video. When you create a great video but nobody's watching because your thumbnail is not attractive that much. So in order to make an attractive thumbnail for your YouTube video, all you have to do, go to a website called canva.com, canva.com. It's totally free. Most of the thumbnails and everything is almost free. So all you have to do first is make sure to log in or sign up for the Canva, and it's totally free. And for example, I will go to my designs, or you can create your own designs. But before creating your own design, all you have to search for YouTube. All right, so you're creating a YouTube thumbnail, so try to make, because the size of the picture should be equal to your thumbnail. So click on YouTube thumbnail, and in here you have great options to create the YouTube thumbnail. I personally use this one once in my video because there are a lot of amazing options. For example, if I'm going to create a YouTube thumbnail for my iMovie, so what I will do is go into something like, I'll select, for example, I'll go to all my designs, and for example, these are my thumbnails that I have already created. And in here you can see what I do is go to what you have to do, and what I do is go to uploads and bring your own pictures, small pictures like this one, the Google picture, the ad block, whatever you're editing on. Those will help you make attractive one. And when you are creating a thumbnail, please make sure to write as little as possible and as important words as possible. Do not write too much, and make sure to create the picture or the word bigger. The size should be bigger. In here you can also upload image from your computer, which you have downloaded from your Google account or whatever. And in here you have got free options. But if you don't want to create your own thumbnail and make all these changes, so what you have to do, go to the templates. You can also use templates in here. So these are a few templates. For example, if I bring this template in here and change the picture, and what I do here, this picture, I can't use this picture, so I'll change this picture and put my own. And in uploads, for example, I have this YouTube picture, for example, and I cancel this one. And you can always push it backward. All you have to do, right click on it and see this option called send backward, and that way you will be sending this picture backward. Let me do it again. Okay, all right, this is already backward because of the option it's showing in the forward. All right, let me do it again, send backward. Okay, so now it's behind the word itself, how to. All right, so you can see it exactly backward to the how to. All right, so let me change it this way and make it right the YouTube bit up and keep it this way. So for example, this is a big YouTube logo for attracting, and for example, I'm bringing the Google Adsense as well, and this is the Google Adsense. So make it much bigger. All right, and smaller to attract it. All right, so you can see this is YouTube, this is Google Adsense. Those both pictures look attractive, because if somebody's going to search for a video called how to connect AdSense connect, so simply don't write how to, simply go for it, because the question is how to connect AdSense in Google. So what you have to do is write, okay, so we'll go connect Google and YouTube. All right, so you can also make it much more attractive by choosing the colors, which are their word based. For example, in Google there are 3 colors in Google AdSense. All right, I haven't wrote Google AdSense, so I have to write AdSense. All right, so there is Google AdSense. So in Google AdSense, what I do, I normally choose for, all right, so what I do, I put the blue color on Google. So right, and for AdSense I'll choose yellow. And now this Google AdSense color, this color matches this one. And for YouTube I'll choose red color. So half red, half let it be the same color as it is. So see how attractive this picture looks, because everything, the words are much bigger, and these two pictures are attractive because when an audience is going to search for the particular for the connecting their Google AdSense with YouTube, so they will be they are surely going to click on this picture, but because this looks more attractive and authentic, because that's what they are looking for, and they can easily read the thumbnail, because most of the people don't read the title, what's written in between. They only see the picture. If it looks attractive and according to their mean, they are going to click it, and boom, they are into your video. You know that a lot of YouTubers create the same type of video, but the person who is going to click is going to click the one that looks more attractive, more authentic. So try to make your thumbnail more attractive, because in the video everybody is almost same. So nobody knows what is inside the video unless it gets viral or gets more likes. But till that, make sure your thumbnail is attractive enough to attract your audience. So that's it regarding how you can make a free YouTube thumbnail video for your videos. And if you think this video helped you, please make sure to leave us a comment and hit the subscribe button, and make sure to watch our other videos. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.